playing games from the BYOND community and dealing with DMB game files. These are compiled games created with the Dream Maker development environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play these BYOND Dream Maker compiled game files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep DMB file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. Users encounter DMB files as the executable game files for multiplayer online games, created with the BYOND Build Your Own NetDream platform. These files contain the compiled game code, assets, and logic, and are launched using the BYOND client to connect to a game server or play locally. A DMB file is a proprietary compiled binary format. The Dream Maker IDE compiles human-readable Dream Maker (DM) source code into this compact, executable bytecode. This design protects the source code, optimizes performance, and ensures the game runs consistently within the BYOND runtime environment. Technically, the best program for DMB is usually BYOND from BYOND software. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows shows only high-level details, so reading or editing game data depends on compatible tools. We need to check all possibilities, right-click the DMB file and select Open With. If BYOND is there, use it. If not, choose a different program. It's often a simple matter of finding the right software hook. If you still cannot open your DMB file, that is okay. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your DMB file is generating this error. First, installing BYOND client. Download and install the BYOND client from byond.com, which provides the runtime environment for DMB games. Create a free BYOND account during installation to access the multiplayer features. The BYOND launcher integrates with your system, enabling automatic handling of DMB files and BYOND network resources for seamless gameplay. Next, running games locally. Double-click the DMB file to launch it in the BYOND client. The game runs in single-player mode if not connected to a multiplayer server. For host mode, right-click the DMB file and select Host to make the game available for others to join across the BYOND network, using your computer as the server. Finally, joining multiplayer games. Most BYOND DMB games are designed for online multiplayer. Through the BYOND hub, launch the BYOND client and browse the game's hub to find active servers running the game. Connect through the hub interface rather than running DMB files locally for the intended multiplayer experience with active player communities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.